Hey guys, next vlog that I have for you, it's a very interesting thing. It's a very interesting Euro cylinder. It's a Tesa from ASSA ABLOY. Tesa is a Spanish brand and this is one of their dimple cylinders. This is the model T60 and I got this one. It was a present from my parents when they went to Spain some time ago. And even you can see it's written here, it's made in Spain. It's a very precise lock, I would have to think, because I've been having a few of these and I've never managed to pick them until actually yesterday, when I finally decided to take Bill's advice and modify a little bit the southord dimple pick kit. So this is the older version, it's not the one that he reviewed, but this is, I would say, as good as the newer one. This is the standard flag here, you can see it. But the difference, I took one of the curved ones, the small ones, and I've actually flattened it a little bit, and I have also reduced the size, so it's about a millimeter shorter, the flag on this one than this one. I polished it a little bit, so now it fits a lot of keyways easier, and I do believe that my biggest problem with this particular lock was that the standard southord flag didn't go in, and to be quite honest, I actually used only this one. So enough with the chatting. I will clamp up the Tesa and I will show you how to pick it. At least I will try to. See you in a moment, guys. So there we go. The dimple 6-pin cylinder all clamped up. Works beautifully. That would be the key bitting of this one, and yeah, it's quite nasty actually. Anyway, let's give it a go and see if I will be picking this as well tonight, or I will just make another take. So, starting from the side and looking for a binder. The machining on this lock is very precise, and I think there are only standard pins inside of this particular one. So that was pin number 6. Now I'm on 4, I got a small click to something, no? Let's see number 1. The other ones are not giving anything. Okay, number 1 gave me a click. But I think I overset him. Should be now fine. That was number 6 again, and I felt the slightest rotation on the core. Getting in between this wording is really the hardest part, so you cannot really go that much with a standard flag. Okay, that was number 2 or number 3. 2, I would take it. That was number 3. Okay, dropped something. It was number 2, it seems, or no, not number 2, number 3. Okay. Then let's see, number 4, no. 5, maybe, no. 6. Try with number 1 once again. and open. There we go, that was number 5 that was holding me. Great lock, really great lock. And as I said, with the normal flag of southord it's not possible, so you need to grind down one of the other ones and make yourself a smaller flag. Then you will be able to open this lock. So let's make a mess, and I will try to get this fella here.
Let's get rid of this thing.
Okay, so finally managed to do that. Let's see. Oops, wrong part of the pins. I would believe it's here and here. Let's put this here for a moment, guys, so that we don't lose it. And now I will start getting the locks. So that's the rotator. Let's start from the back. So pin number last is kind of serrated. Another one of the same kind, and another one, and another one with a few springs. Pin number 2 and pin number 1. Well, I guess they're all the same, and a few hundred springs. Cool, let's see now what's in the core. Where are my tweezers? So, starting from the back, strange pin, another strange pin, and another strange pin, and another even stranger. Wow, well, Tesa are making some really nice pins, guys. Okay, these are kind of, all of them are kind of ASSA pins. So we can get rid of these springs so that I can show you the pins. Put some stuff in order. I apologize that it's that long, but I wasn't sure if I'm gonna get it anyways. So welcome to the weirdness of ASSA and Tesa. These pins look just great. They look great. You can see all of them are serrated of a kind, ground down. They just look great. Okay guys, sorry that the video was so long, and wish you a nice evening and see you in the next video. Ciao.